Hello guys, welcome back. If you have ever applied for a job, tender or government opportunity in Kenya, you have probably been asked for a HELB Clearance Certificate. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for it online, step by step. First, head over to the HELB portal, which is www.helb.co.ke. Log in using your ID number or email and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on register. Once you are in, go to the compliance certificate section. Select apply for HELB Clearance Certificate. The system will check if you have any outstanding HELB loan balance. If you have cleared your loan or never took one, your clearance certificate will be available instantly. Click download certificate. It comes as a PDF document that you can print or attach when applying for jobs. And that's it. Applying for a HELB Clearance Certificate is simple, but it's very important. Without it, you might miss out on opportunities. Now, comment below if you have applied your HELB Clearance Certificate before, or if you need help with the process. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick guides on Kenyan government services. Thank you and watch out for the next video.